In this video, I will teach you how to connect AppSheet to Google Sheet. First thing you need to do is to go to the website appsheet.com, wherein you will be able to help yourself to build powerful application and automation that boost productivity. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Get Started right here and sign up using your Google account. But if you already have one, you just have to click on Sign In at the top right and log in using your credentials. Before you connect, you just have to make sure that you have a Google Sheet ready with column headers in first row. You can create one at Google Sheets website if needed. Once you're logged in to AppSheet, you just have to make a new app from your dashboard. To do that, all you have to do is to click on Create right here and click on the App button and click on Start with Existing Data. You have to name your app, so let's say App right here, and choose your category. Then you just have to choose your data and click on Google Sheets. Now you just have to pick the specific file that you want to use. Let's say right here, the one that we have created on our spreadsheet. Then we just have to click select. And if this is your first time connecting AppSheet to Google Sheet, you'll be asked to grant permission. You just have to click allow when prompted, and AppSheet will now load your spreadsheet and create a basic app from data automatically. Now, once your app is created, you can customize it. You can rename the views, change labels, even add a new functionality. Any edits you make to the Google Sheet will reflect in your app and vice versa. So when you edit here, you can also edit here, and it will change depending on where you edit this.